Good morning, everyone. I'm Saloni Singh, the Council Secretary of the Ambassadors Conclave. First of all, I would like to thank Ayushi ma'am for believing in me and giving me such a wonderful opportunity to be part of the Ambassadors Conclave. It is an initiative by the entire team to foster and nurture the young minds to learn the art of debate and negotiation this quarantine. It is part of the Opine ENUN, which witnessed a decent participation of students from in and around India and few other countries as well. Like just like Beat Your Brain Praram, the free certificate workshop has been also been carried out by our team. Now I'm so glad to have you all all of you here in its second edition. The Ambassadors Conclave is this time bigger and better, as we promised you last time. With five exciting committees, we have equally amazing agendas. Adding on to, the family of Upine has been constantly donating and arranging cabs of distribution of masks and other essentials of COVID in the far and flung areas of Bihar and Jharkhand. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you. The guest of honor, Himani Mishra ma'am, member of the Senior Secretariat, the Honorable Executive Board panel, and our beloved delegates. Now, without any further ado, because I know all of you are equally excited for your committee to start, and you, ma'am.
Greetings everyone. Hello, my name is Isha Irani and I am the head of Miscellaneous Affairs. So finally, the day comes when your and our efforts are being accomplished. As we know and believed and understood that we are completely in a loop of all this type of opportunities. And in Bihar it is totally a new subject. Like they were never heard about the word MUN and Youth Parliament. Now, because of the event, we have an opportunity. And I believe personally, the people belongs from Bihar, Jharkhand, Bengal, UP, they might connect themselves with this. The Ambassadors Conclave is not just a word, it's a kind of an emotion for us, for the entire team. From Neve to Praramb, and finally from Praramb to the day of conference. And now we are celebrating the opening ceremony. So now I would like to take the privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, Himani ma'am. So first of all, I would like to introduce her in front of all. Like she is a guide, mentor for us, especially people belong from Bihar and where the opportunities are very, very less. Okay, ma'am. So now it's your turn. Thank you.
हेलो मिस हिमानी मिश्रा एंड मूलतः मैं बिहार से हूँ, पटना से। मैं एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग और आईटी कंपनी ब्रांड रेडिएटर की सीईओ और को फाउंडर हूँ। आपने बहुत अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया। इट्स क्वाइट मोटिवेटिंग फॉर मी एंड माय कंपनी एज वेल। सो this is my current designation, this is my current position professionally. If I talk about my background, then I belong from Patna. I did my schooling till 12th from Patna, and then after that I'm one of the first batches of AIEEE. I did my engineering from IIIT Calcutta. वहाँ से इंजीनियरिंग करने के बाद मेरा कैंपस प्लेसमेंट विप्रो में हुआ, विच वॉज अगेन इन कैलकटा, एंड देन आई ऑल्सो डिड ग्रीन बेल्ट सिक्स सिग्मा फ्रॉम मोटरोला यूनिवर्सिटी सिंगापुर. आई वॉज प्लेस्ड इन विप्रो. देन आफ्टर दैट आई मूव टू टाटा. दैट वॉज द बूमिंग फेज ऑफ टेलीकॉम. टाटा इंडिकॉम में मैंने काम किया, एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई मूव टू टेलेनॉर. देन आई वॉज इन बैंगलोर. सो दैट्स अ प्रोफेशनल जर्नी. बिग नेम्स बिहार से होते हुए भी उन्होंने बाहर जाके किया. बिहारी होने का उनको डेफिनेटली एज मतलब बिहारी होने का उनको ये है कि हाँ मैं बिहार से हूँ, बाहर जाके मैंने कंपनी सेटअप किया. बट बहुत कम ऐसे लोग हैं जो बिहार के होते हुए बिहार में कंपनी सेट करते हैं. सब कोई इस बात को लेके बहुत ही सरप्राइज्ड होता है. इस बात को लेके मेरे को फाउंडर से भी इनिशियली डिस्कशन हुआ था, एंड ही वाज नॉट अग्रीइंग दैट लेट्स नॉट कीप द रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस इन पटना, बैंगलोर रखते, क्योंकि वो एक माइंडसेट जाएगा. एंड आई वाज लाइक नो, इफ दैट इज सो देन माई एंटायर ऑब्जेक्टिव गेट्स डाइल्यूटेड. मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ही यही था कि बिहार का हो, एंड बिहार से ही अच्छा काम होता है. ये इस मिथ को तोड़ना इंटेंशन था. इसके लिए मैं स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं ब्लेम करूंगी, इसके लिए मैं टोटल एजुकेशन सिस्टम को ब्लेम करूंगी। आज भी जो मैंने आज से 15 साल पहले पढ़ाई की थी इंजीनियरिंग में, आज भी बिहार में उसको BCA MCA या इंजीनियरिंग में उसको क्लासेस कराते हैं, आज भी C++ कोडिंग की बात करते हैं।
So, all the best, and a lot of good wishes from your EV side is here. So, just have a look.
Hello everybody, this is Simran Verma and I'll be serving as the chairperson for the UNCSW, the United Nations Commission for Status of Women. I'm extremely honored to be a part of the Ambassadors Conclave again after a huge success of the Opine EMUN, and I wish all the delegates a very good luck and looking forward to a great conference ahead. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Sashrik and I'm the Vice Chair for the UNCSW for the Ambassador Conclave MUN 2020. I'm very excited for the MUN and I'm looking forward for an amazing conference ahead. Okay, fine guys, bye bye. Looking forward to meet you in the conference. Bye bye.
Greetings delegates, my name is Arundam Roy and I'll be the moderator for the Lok Sabha in the Ambassadors Conclave 2020. And since Lok Sabha is an unconventional committee in the United Nations, since the solutions matter a lot in this committee, and we would be looking into the solutions that can be used in the resolution, and I would be looking into equitable participations from each and every delegate, and I hope to bring a lot of success in this conference, and I'm looking forward to great participation and great enthusiasm. Looking forward from all the delegates in the conference. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is your deputy moderator for Lok Sabha, Nikhil Raghavendra Pashi, and I hope to see you all doing very well in the conference. All the best to every delegate, and I am looking forward to a great discussion and debate in my committee. As for all the other delegates, have a great the Ambassadors Conclave conference. All the best.
Hi, this is Nivedita and I'll be chairing the World Health Organization Committee for the Ambassadors Conclave 2020, which is also the second edition of the Opine MUN. And I'm very glad to be a part of this. Wishing all the delegates good luck and hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Manvi Srivastav and I'll be serving as the Vice Chairperson at WHO. I'm very delighted to be a part of the Ambassadors Conclave and looking forward to have a great time with you all. Thank you.
Welcome delegates of UNSC. My name is Nitalaksha. I'll be serving as the co-chair for the committee. I look forward to have a wonderful conference with you all.
Greetings delegates, I'm Amulya Reddy. I'll be serving as a co-chair for the United Nations Security Council. Looking forward to an amazing experience.
Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing safe and fine. My name is Ayushi Ranjan and I'm the president of the Ambassadors Conclave. It fills my heart with a lot of joy, contentment and satisfaction at the same time to have brought this event along with the team of the TAC. The first edition was called as the Opine EMUN, whose scale was not as much expected, but in this particular edition we have made sure to nurture, to flourish and to enrich everybody from our end possible so that they can learn this idea of research and debate. Now, participants who have participated for the first time in the Ambassadors Conclave, just to tell them, Ambassadors Conclave is not the other MUN that you do. I would say that here we work as a team, we work as a family. Even though the offices are divided, but we are readily available for every person next to us, right from taking orientations to different training sessions to all the other things, to the interviews, to everything that at the end of the day the team together managed. And one of the best things about the Ambassadors Conclave is that in the last edition also and in this particular edition also, we make sure to from our particular end, because the senior secretariat and the secretariat and some of the campus ambassadors are majorly from Bihar, and Bihar is the kind of an area which is not very much enriched in terms of education or maybe health and a lot of other things also. If you are from Bihar, you get it. So we have tried to distribute a lot of essentials of COVID-19 in the last edition also, and we are going to do that in this edition also. The only difference is that in this particular edition we have a lot of volunteers who will be doing that, and the last edition we had countable people. So that is one of the best things and I would say one of the landmark things that we have done as a team together. Apart from that, I would also like to take this privilege to welcome the executive boards of the respective committees. They are the best captains that we could find for your team. They are very experienced. They are the best people we could find in terms of the supervision and in terms of their respective fortes. So I wish all of you a very best of luck. I know, I have this faith, and I completely believe that you are going to ace the committee that you are in. Do not fear, because you have already been prepped up so much, and I know किसी point पे there might be a point where you lose it out, but don't worry, every other person is there. So without wasting any more minute, I, the President of the Ambassadors Conclave, would like to declare the Ambassadors Conclave open, and I would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to every delegate who have participated from round the corners and from few other countries also. Please stay tuned to your WhatsApp groups. Therein you'll get your links for the concerned groups. Also, there might be some issues with the link in case the link finishes after 40 minutes. I believe that has already been told to you. So please rejoin. You need to cooperate because this is completely techno based. We are no IT people, but we have made sure कि जो भी हो सकेगा we'll try from our level best to give you the least of the inconvenience. But in case it happens, I'm really sorry for that from the entire side of the team. So please stay tuned to your WhatsApp groups and join on time. Thank you.